1989 Land Rover Defender 110. This superb example benefited from a restoration in 2014 by world-renowned restorative house Arkonic, UK-based. They know their Land Rovers. Lots of room for the whole family. As beautiful on the inside as it is on the out. Has the later 2.5 turbo diesel. Approximately 85 horsepower delivered through the manual transmission. If you've been looking for a Land Rover, something in the vintage era, this is it. Give us a call, Gaswerks Garage, 201-267-8867. Many happy miles to you.